Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Ready to command your village from the comfort of your MacBook Air 2025. It's now incredibly simple to get Clash of Clans running smoothly on your device. Gone are the days of complicated emulators and performance headaches. Thanks to the advanced Apple Silicon architecture, your new MacBook Air is perfectly equipped to handle this popular iOS game natively. Prepare to dive back into the action with crisp graphics and excellent performance. Right on your desktop, this guide will show you exactly how. The absolute easiest way to enjoy Clash of Clans on your MacBook Air 2025 leverages its powerful Apple Silicon chip. Many iOS applications, including Clash of Clans, are now directly available for download from the Mac App Store. This native integration means you get optimal performance, just as if you were playing on an iPad or iPhone. Forget about slow emulators or compatibility issues. Simply search and install for a truly seamless experience. It's that straightforward and reliable. Let's walk through the simple installation process. First, open the App Store application on your MacBook Air 2025. You'll find it easily in your Applications folder or dock. Once the store is open, navigate to the search bar located at the top left and type in Clash of Clans. The official game should appear at the top of the results. Simply click the Get or Install button, and your Mac will handle the download and installation automatically. It's just like getting an app on your phone. Once Clash of Clans is successfully installed, launch the game from your Applications folder or Launchpad. When prompted, make sure to connect your existing Supercell ID. This crucial step will instantly transfer all your village progress, gems, and purchases from your mobile device directly to your MacBook Air. If you don't have a Supercell ID, setting one up is free and highly recommended for data protection across all your devices. Never lose your hard-earned progress again. Congratulations, you're all set to dominate the battlefield on your MacBook Air 2025. Enjoy the enhanced visual experience on a larger screen and the precision of a mouse and keyboard if you prefer. You might even adjust the in-game graphic settings to fine-tune performance, though your new Mac should handle it beautifully. Now, go forth, build your empire, and lead your clan to victory. If this guide helped you, please like the video and consider subscribing for more tech tips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.